Ever worried about your cat going hungry while you're out? Or maybe your dog wolfing down all its food at once? Well, let me break it down for you with this awesome solution. Check out PETLIBRO Automatic Cat Feeder. It lets you schedule up to 10 meals a day via an app. Set portions from your phone and track feeding logs easily. Record personalized meal calls so your pet hears your voice even when you're not there. With Freshness preservation tech, no more stale food. Don't let your furry friend down, the PETLIBRO feeders got their back. Hit the link below to grab yours today.